Imagine this: you're sitting in your favorite chair, trying to unwind, but instead of peace, your mind is racing, deadlines, endless notifications, things left unsaid. Stress has become the background music of your life. What if, instead of drowning in the noise, you could press pause and tap into a sense of calm, even amidst the chaos? Welcome to Mindfulness. In this video, we'll dive into the tools and practices that can help you clear the clutter and be fully present. By the end, you'll know how to shift from feeling overwhelmed to feeling grounded, whether you're dealing with everyday stress or just trying to slow down. So take a deep breath, and let's explore how you can bring real calm into your life, one mindful moment at a time. In today's fast-paced world, many of us struggle to find peace amidst the constant buzz of our minds and the stresses of daily life. Mindfulness is one of the most effective ways to achieve a sense of calm, clarity, and focus. Practiced for centuries in various forms, mindfulness is rooted in the idea of living in the present moment, fully aware and accepting of one's thoughts, feelings, and surroundings without judgment. This practice is simple in concept, yet transformative in impact, and has gained substantial attention for its mental, emotional, and physical benefits. Mindfulness is the art of paying attention on purpose, in the present moment, without judgment. It involves observing our thoughts and emotions as they are, without trying to change or suppress them. While many associate mindfulness with meditation, it can be practiced anytime, anywhere, while eating, walking, or even in a conversation. Mindfulness is about fostering an awareness that helps individuals respond to life with greater clarity, rather than reacting impulsively. Historically, mindfulness is derived from ancient Eastern spiritual practices, particularly Buddhism, but it has evolved to fit into secular contexts and has been incorporated into many modern therapeutic practices. The foundation of mindfulness is grounded in acceptance, openness, and kindness, both toward oneself and others. Research suggests mindfulness offers numerous psychological and physical health benefits. 1. Reduced stress and anxiety. Mindfulness teaches individuals to distance themselves from the cycle of worrying thoughts and fears that fuel stress and anxiety. 2. Improved focus and concentration. By training the mind to focus on the present moment, mindfulness enhances attention span and mental clarity. 3. Enhanced emotional regulation. Mindfulness allows people to understand and manage their emotions more effectively. 4. Better physical health. It has been linked to improved immune function, better sleep, and lower blood pressure. 5. Increased self-awareness. By observing one's thoughts and feelings, mindfulness cultivates self-awareness and leads to better decision-making. Practicing mindfulness is simple, but it requires dedication and regular practice. Here are some foundational techniques to incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine. 1. Mindful breathing. The breath is a central element in many mindfulness practices because it's always with us and can anchor us to the present moment. Find a quiet place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes and focus on your breathing. Pay attention to each inhale and exhale, noticing the sensations as you breathe in and out. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back to your breath. Mindful breathing calms the nervous system and grounds the mind, which can help alleviate stress and anxiety. 2. Body scan meditation. The body scan is a mindfulness technique that promotes a deep connection between mind and body, encouraging relaxation and awareness of physical sensations. Start by lying down or sitting comfortably. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Begin by focusing on the tips of your toes, noticing any sensations, tension, or relaxation. Gradually move up through each part of your body: ankles, calves, thighs, abdomen, chest, shoulders, neck, and head, pausing at each part and observing any feelings. This practice can help relieve physical tension, improve body awareness, and promote relaxation. 3. Mindful observation. Mindful observation involves focusing intently on an object, allowing yourself to fully experience it without labels or judgments. Choose a small object, like a leaf, a flower, or even a household item. Look at it closely, paying attention to its texture, color, shape, and other details. Try to observe it as if you've never seen it before. This exercise cultivates curiosity and appreciation, helping us see ordinary things in new ways and fostering a deeper connection to the present moment. 4. Mindful eating. Mindful eating brings awareness to the act of eating, helping us to enjoy food more deeply and avoid overeating. When eating, take a moment to look at your food and appreciate its color, texture, and aroma. Take a small bite, chew slowly, and notice the flavors and sensations. Pay attention to how your body feels as you eat. This practice can improve digestion, reduce overeating, and promote a greater appreciation for food. 5. Walking meditation. Walking meditation is a way of practicing mindfulness in motion, which is ideal for those who find sitting meditation challenging. Find a quiet, open space where you can walk slowly. Begin by standing still, taking a few deep breaths, and feeling the ground beneath your feet. Start walking slowly, paying attention to each step and the way it feels. Focus on the sensation of lifting, moving, and placing each foot on the ground. Walking meditation brings a meditative quality to everyday activity, making it easier to integrate mindfulness into daily life. It's particularly beneficial for clearing the mind and reducing stress. 6. Mindfulness meditation. Mindfulness meditation is a foundational practice that involves sitting quietly and focusing on the present moment, typically by observing the breath. Find a comfortable place to sit with your back straight and eyes closed. Bring your attention to your breathing, noticing the sensation of each breath. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breath without judgment. You can start with just 5 minutes and gradually extend your practice. Mindfulness meditation improves focus, emotional resilience, and self-awareness. It's one of the most effective ways to build a consistent mindfulness practice. Consistency is key in mindfulness. Here are some tips to help you build a lasting mindfulness practice. 1. Start small. Begin with short sessions of 5 to 10 minutes. As you grow more comfortable, gradually increase the time. 2. Practice daily. Aim to practice mindfulness every day, even if only for a few minutes. Over time, it will become easier to integrate into your daily life. 3. Be patient. Mindfulness is a skill that takes time to develop. Don't get discouraged if it feels challenging at first. 4. Set a routine. Try practicing at the same time each day, such as first thing in the morning or before bed. 5. Use guided meditations. Many apps and online resources offer guided meditations that can be helpful, especially for beginners. 6. Bring mindfulness to daily activities. Try incorporating mindfulness into everyday tasks like washing dishes, cooking, or brushing your teeth. Practicing mindfulness isn't always easy, especially for beginners. Here are some common challenges and how to overcome them. Mindfulness isn't just about meditation, it's about approaching life with an open, curious, and compassionate mind. Here are a few ways to practice mindfulness outside of formal meditation. 1. Practice deep listening. When talking to someone, give them your full attention. Listen to understand, not to respond. 2. Notice nature. Take time to observe your surroundings, whether it's a tree, the sky, or the wind. Engaging with nature is a natural way to practice mindfulness. 3. Pause and breathe. Whenever you feel stressed or overwhelmed, pause and take 3 deep breaths. This simple action can help reset your mind. 4. Cultivate gratitude. Take a moment each day to appreciate something or someone in your life. Gratitude brings us into the present moment and cultivates a positive mindset. Finally, mindfulness is a journey of self-discovery that requires practice, patience, and persistence. By focusing on the present moment, we can reduce stress, enhance focus, and foster greater emotional well-being. Start small, build consistency, and remember that mindfulness is not about perfection, it's about progress. As we integrate mindfulness into our lives, we open up to a world of inner peace, acceptance, and resilience that enriches both ourselves and our relationships. Whether through mindful breathing, meditation, or simply bringing awareness to daily tasks, mindfulness can be a profound tool for enhancing the quality of our lives and achieving greater harmony with the world around us. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.